Fun, and today I'm gonna be vlogging a new center called Gaming Center. Vlogging of that. What has been the most difficult, hard part of the center? The hardest part was to make a cloud, because then I had to go all the place blocks, mind the blocks, place blocks, mind the blocks, then I had to create a cloud. And then making the evaporation was pretty hard too, because I had to make it float a little bit. What issue will address and how will you show these? The hard thing, issue was when it was raining, I had to take a screenshot, but most of the time it didn't happen. What critical thinking strategies are you using? Mostly really sure, so I'll come back to it. What are your next steps? My next steps are really more focused and do everything quickly because I wasn't doing a lot of things quickly. How does playing Minecraft help you with your math, science, language? It helps because when the first time we played Minecraft with Miss Hugh, with Minecraft, it was easier to us to solve the problem with me and Shani. How does playing? What was your favorite part at the center? My favorite part was mostly playing Minecraft because I love the game Minecraft. Bye.